Hello friends, today's story is Two Cats and the Monkey. Once upon a time, two silly cats, Whiskers and Paws, found a big piece of bread. I will eat it all, said Whiskers. No, I will, meowed Paws and started arguing. Up in a tree, a smart monkey named Miko watched them. He had an idea. He jumped down and said, I will solve this. I will split the bread in half. Miko tore the bread into two pieces and gave one to each cat. Whiskers frowned. This piece is bigger. You are right, said Miko. I will eat the bigger half to make fair. And he ate quickly, was holding the smaller piece, said, now this one's bigger. Good point. Miko grinned. I will eat this one too, to balance it out. And he ate the second half as well. The cats stared at him in surprise. Miko wiped his mouth and smiled. Looks like I got the best deal. And the cat's empty pot learned that a clever monkey can always outsmart them. So, moral of the story is sometimes clever thinking can turn a situation in your favor, but it's important to be fair and not let others take advantage of you. If you like this story, please like, share, subscribe to my channel.